Did a software update break the Lagarith library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get Lagarith running again. Before diving into the manual fix for Lagarith library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Lagarith library, the Lagarith Lossless Video Codec. It manages high-speed localized encoding and decoding of YV12 and RGB video streams, frequently used by localized screen recording and video editing suites to maintain high localized visual fidelity during the capture and production cycle. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. If your software is failing because of Lagarith library DLL, the internal file mapping for Lagarith is likely corrupted. So reinstalling the current version of your program, showing the error, will re-register the library and fix the error. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Lagarith library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Lagarith library DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and Lagarith library synchronization. If Lagarith library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.